I am Helen Famodimu and I am additive manufacturing engineer, which is basically a 3D printing engineer. I came over to study MSc in Advanced Technology Management at the University of Wolverhampton and stayed to do a PhD in additive manufacturing. I've always wanted to be an engineer. Engineering gives me that challenge. There are different aspects to my job and each aspect is challenging in its own way. I like it. I instantly felt at home at University of Wolverhampton. It's a good enabling environment for students to study because the quality of education and the quality of student life that you get is good. It makes you want to actually learn here and study here. When I came here around about 10 years ago, I knew absolutely no one in Wolverhampton. And I made friendships with people. And a lot of those friendships are still standing today. I had absolutely loads of fun. It was wonderful. I loved every aspect of my study at university.